Not all water is created equal, and what you drink every day could be affecting your health in ways you don't realize. Many people are turning to alkaline water for its potential health benefits, from better hydration to improved digestion. But commercial alkaline water systems can be expensive and complicated. Today, we'll explain how a DIY alkaline water system works and what you need to know to make water safer and more balanced at home. Tap water often contains minerals, chlorine, and other substances that affect taste and pH levels. Most standard filtration systems remove contaminants but don't change the water's pH. Alkaline water is believed to have a higher pH, meaning it's less acidic. For some, drinking water that is too acidic may contribute to digestive discomfort or low energy, though research is ongoing. The challenge is finding a reliable, cost-effective way to achieve this without spending hundreds on store-bought systems. A DIY alkaline water system typically combines a basic filtration method with minerals like calcium, magnesium, or potassium. The filtration removes impurities, while the minerals adjust the pH level. One common approach uses a multi-stage pitcher or small countertop system, where water passes through activated carbon to reduce chlorine, then through mineral cartridges to raise the pH. Another method involves adding mineral stones directly to filtered water in a container, which slowly increases alkalinity. It's important to measure pH regularly. A simple pH test strip allows you to track the water's balance, ensuring it stays in a safe range, usually between 7 and 9. Over-alkalizing water is uncommon but possible, and moderation is key. The main benefit of a DIY approach is control. You can adjust mineral content, maintain water quality, and avoid costly recurring cartridge replacements. It's not about magic, it's about understanding chemistry and keeping water clean and balanced. DIY systems also allow flexibility. You can tailor the system for personal taste or specific mineral preferences, making alkaline water at home is practical, cost-effective, and safe when you follow basic guidelines. You don't need a commercial system to enjoy the benefits of balanced water, but it requires careful attention to filtration and pH levels. By understanding the process, you can enjoy water that tastes better, feels cleaner, and aligns with your health goals. If you want to learn step by step how to set up your own DIY alkaline water system, subscribe now. Check the description for a detailed guide and recommended materials to get started safely and effectively.